Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a Roblox gift card. So if you've received a gift card containing Robux, I'll show you how to add those to your Roblox account. Alright, so to get started, the first thing we need to do to redeem a Roblox gift card is simply open up the browser and go to roblox.com. Once you get there, go ahead and log into your Roblox account. From there, we need to open up the menu by going into the left side and selecting the three horizontal lines. In the menu, go down and select Gift Cards. Once Gift Cards opens up, go up in the top right and select Redeem Card. Then simply paste your Roblox gift card code right here and select Redeem. To make it a little quicker for you, I'll also have a direct link to this page in the description, so you can just click that and open it up. Select Redeem, and then there you go. Your Robux have been added to your Roblox account. All right, so that's how you redeem a Roblox gift card. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.